welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Brianna and I post weekly videos, so make sure that you are subscribed down below. So today's video is kind of random, but I just ordered some earrings from Amazon that I just got in the mail and kind of just want to share what I got with you guys. So normally I would either just buy cheap earrings from like Walmart or Target, or I would buy these bougie overpriced earrings from Kendra Scott. You guys probably know what I'm talking about, but I thought that I would check on Amazon to see the type of earrings that they have. I'm about to be a teacher and kind of don't want to wear the same earrings every single day and wanted some more fashionable, cute earrings. So I got 36 pairs of earrings for $15 on Amazon. So I'm going to open them up and show you guys what I got. I'll link down below the exact thing that I ordered because if you search, there are so many different of these types of packages. So let me see what these earrings actually look like on. Okay, so there's 6 packs of 6 earrings and all of them have like 3 sets of studs and 3 hoops or larger type of earrings. So I have 6 of these packages, and then they also came with these clear plastic earring bags. So I'm just going to go through and open them. I probably earrings, cross earrings, which I may or may not wear. I'm not sure how I feel about them. And then these ones that just kind of look like a star. So let's try. These ones actually came with the plastic backings on them. I really like these animal print ones. They're giving me strong high school teacher vibes. I'm going to be an English teacher, so you know. Okay, so here's these ones. Super cute. This pack has a lot of different animal print vibes. Different ones on Amazon have like different types of styles. So there's that one. Let's try the tassel one. I've always wanted tassel earrings. It's kind of trendy now, or maybe I'm late on the trend, but I've never had tassel earrings. So here's what these look like. These ones are super cute. They're just a really small tassel, and these are kind of like bigger, larger earrings. Okay, so that was that pack. Super cute. Okay, this next pack looks like this. It has all of these cute hoop earrings that have, this one is like wrapped around with pearls, and this one is just an entire pearl one. Another set of pearls. Most of these packages I got all have a set of pearl studs, which I always lose them, so I'm not complaining. These ones are hearts, and these ones are just like rounded like fake diamonds. So these ones are really calling me. This is super cute. Okay, so here is this one. It's like a gold hoop with a string of fake pearls wrapped around it. I actually really like it, and the back just snaps in. And then let's try the other pearl ones. Alright, so these ones are bigger, and then these ones are just kind of like a hoop of pearls. These are also super cute. Okay, this next pack has another thinner pair of like animal print hoops, a really thin pair of gold hoops, and then a cute tassel, and this one fell off, but just more different types of studs. Ooh, I like these ones. And these are just hoops. You guys know what hoops look like. So here's the next one. This one is giving me like some boho vibes. These are super cute, like wooden earrings. More hoops, but these are kind of like maybe like a hexagon, octagon, and then more pairs of studs. You can never have enough studs. I'm going to try on these wooden ones because they definitely interest me the most. Oh my gosh, these are giving me like Emperor Cusco vibes. If you guys have seen that movie, you know, which also Kendra Scott earrings look like the earrings from that movie, but these ones are giving me some Emperor Cusco vibes. Look, they're so cute. They have like this gold plate right here, and then these wooden hoop earrings. These are really cute and actually match pretty well with this color tank top I'm wearing. And then let's see. These are like octagon hoops. They're really, really thin. Oh, so these earrings are really thin, if you guys can see that. They're super thin, like octagon earrings, and they kind of just hook on. So let's go back in. So the back just like hooks on like that. So let's put this one in. See if I can hook it. I don't think they're in right. The backing is kind of weird. Okay, I have it hooked in. So here's these ones are just like these cute little octagon hoop earrings. These ones, let's see. So here is the last pack. Honestly, I feel like I've gotten these like animal print hoop earrings several times in this package. These ones up here, these like butterfly type things, I'm not sure if I'd actually wear them. These ones are just like a thick pair of hoops and then another pair of plain. Oh, still have an earring in on this ear. These ones are okay. So it's just like a little dangly leaf flower type thing. These ones are actually really cute. These ones are eh. And then I feel like I've gotten these like animal print hoops like 2 other times. So they're all kind of like different sizes though. Okay, so those are all the earrings I got. Let me pick out my favorites. So definitely, oh. So I think my favorites were definitely the 2 tassel ones. So I had these like gray tassel ones and then these smaller ones with the white tassel right here. Definitely these Emperor Cusco, these wooden ones are just something different that I don't have. So I definitely like these ones. And then This set that has the pearls, the ones with the pearls like wrapped around is really pretty, and also the one that's just the pearl hoops is really pretty. Some of these are, it's like a hit or miss. Some of these just actually feel like really cheap. Like these like Octagon hoops, just the backing and the way they go together just feels really cheap, and like I don't know how much I would wear these before they start bending and stuff like that. So these are okay, but overall for $15 getting 36 pairs of earrings, and also the number of like different studs I have. So I have 2 earrings. Normally I'll wear like something like bigger or more extravagant on the first hole, and the second hole I'll just put like a stud in. So definitely having more pairs of those is super useful because I always lose them. For $15 overall, I'm super impressed. So if you guys are looking for cute, affordable earrings, check out Amazon. I'll link the one that I bought down below, but there's so many different packages where you get like 20, 30, 40 earrings for under 20 or 30 bucks. So you don't have to go out and buy things like Kendra Scott or expensive earrings, because you can definitely find cute ones for cheap, but keep in mind that they might not be the best if you have sensitive ears. Okay, so that's the end of the video. Here's all of my different earrings. This one. Yeah, so these are all the earrings I got for $15. After tax is maybe $16 or $17. This video was pretty random, but thank you guys for watching. If you are not subscribed, I would love it if you would subscribe down below for weekly uploads, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all! Okay, I think I'm gonna try on every single earring just to put that extra bit in the video. Let's see how long this takes.